Let us look at Article 7, Paragraph 5 of the India-USA Treaty. This clause, basically what it does is, it actually kind of shrinks the amount of profits, or actually makes it precise as to what profits can be taxed in India or USA, whichever is the source state, right? By pinning down very, very properly as to which profits are taxable or which profits are attributable to the PE. For the purpose of this convention, the profits to be attributed to the PE as provided in paragraph 1A of this article shall include only the profits derived from the assets and activities of the PE, and shall be determined by the same method year by year unless there is a good and sufficient reason to the contrary. Now what this means is, you need to identify what are the activities which a PE is conducting, right? What are the assets which the PE is actually using for the purpose of its business, and then see what are the profits which are derived from such assets and activities. Once those profits are calculated, these are the ones which are to be considered for the purpose of paragraph 1A of this article, right? Now if you notice, we are making a reference to paragraph 1A, right? There is paragraph B and C as well, which is the force of attraction clause. This paragraph is not applicable to the two of them. It is applicable only to paragraph 1A, right? So if I come back to our old slide, this is what paragraph A is, right? So Article 7(1)(a), profit attributable to the PE. B and C deals with the force of attraction clause. Paragraph 5 is only in respect of A here, and shall be determined by the same method year by year. So there has to be consistency in the way the profits are calculated. What this means is, you cannot in 1 year, right, follow a particular method because that results in a higher tax revenue, and in the next year disregard that and adopt something else which gives you a higher tax revenue vis-a-vis the method that you had used in year 1. However, if there's a change in business model, if there are change in facts that leads to a conclusion that the earlier method may no longer be relevant, then of course that is something which is permissible.